My name is Monifa McLaren. I am currently a senior graduating next year, May 2020. I major in finance, so it's financial information and analysis, and I have a minor in project management. I am actually from Jamaica, so I just moved here 4 years ago. I chose financial information and analysis, especially at Clarkson, because I love how the major integrated both finance and accounting, where you can't really find that elsewhere. You'd have to do two separate majors or double major. So I love how my major incorporated both of the two disciplines. I chose Clarkson because of the closeness of the faculty and students. When I came here, I love how faculty was so interested in me personally. I love that you don't get lost in the crowd. So that is exactly why I chose to come to Clarkson, just for the closeness and the family seat. So my career aspiration is to be in finance. Eventually I want to work with people on a personal level. I want to start off working for major companies doing their finances, but as I progress through my career, I would hope to be able to work with people face to face, be able to work with people on their personal finances. So ultimately that's what I want to do, a face to face interacting job where not necessarily behind a desk for the rest of my life. I really love finance. Finance is really cool and there are many things to love about it. What I really like about it is that I get to do practical stuff. So in my class with Alan Zebedee, I'm currently in a class where I manage a small part of Clarkson's endowment. So we get to choose what stocks are in the portfolio and what stocks to throw out. So it gives me real life experience in that area. So that's really what I love about my major. Okay, so my favorite faculty member is definitely Zebedee. He's really candid about everything. He's so open, so friendly, can always go to him for anything, any reason. So that's why I really like Zebedee, and I really love finance. So his class is my favorite class because it teaches me so much, not just about technical stuff, but just about life and how to manage your money. And I feel like that is really important. Everybody should really know how to do this. One of the major opportunities that I've had is to study abroad. Not all universities offer this, and I love that Clarkson made it mandatory. I was so happy in freshman year when I found out that I have to study abroad with my major. So I think studying abroad, I actually went to Australia and Melbourne, and this was a really cool experience to get to experience culture on the whole other side of the world, on the whole Eastern Hemisphere. So I really enjoyed that, and I really love that Clarkson offers that for business majors. So over the summer, I participated in a marketing internship. I know it's not really the route for a finance major, but it gave me experience to actually deal with people on a personal level, how to make those face-to-face interactions and how to communicate with people effectively. And as I mentioned, that's one of my goals in life, is to deal with people on a personal level when dealing with their finances, not necessarily behind a desk. So it gave me those skills, those interpersonal skills, how to deal with different people. And I've also received a job offer from Schneider Electric in its finance department. So it is a rotational program for 3 years. So I'll be in that capacity for 3 years, just knowing everything about the business, going to different locations over the 3 different years. Definitely, Clarkson definitely supports you academically. The advisors are always willing to help you. I've never been to my advisor and she cannot help me. Most it'll be it's come back later, but it's never I can't help you. They always have a solution. So I feel like everyone is supported here at Clarkson. I'm actually a part of Beta Gamma Sigma and Beta Alpha Psi. They're the honor societies here on campus. So recently I went to a leadership conference of Beta Gamma Sigma in Chicago, and it was really eye-opening. You get to meet different people from all over the world who are interested in what you're interested in. So I found that really cool and really interesting.